to me is reasoned speech that I may send to Mataplana, since Lord he gets has set me on the road of speaking fierce and stinging words. And since he has, without defiance, sung solely by divination of that of which I am scarcely much to blame, yet he has taken too great a pledge for it, considering I have done little of folly.
Never was composing displeasing to me, nor do I defy song or company, nor did I distance my wife from me by the counsel of petty people.
For I have hope of nothing else but of love and gladness, and in courting I have placed so many fair stakes, and such courtly custom that the lovers hereabout grant me lordship for it. Lordship, not for petty counsel.
No gracious Catalan
should for this reason quarrel with me,
for a knight who trusts in his word
must leave, so youth shows us. A wife he takes in childhood, but if his lady advances him so much that she takes him, he must be bound by a certain homage, so that never at any time may he follow another path.
The proverb will never be a protection
To Lord who gets who spoke it to me in Latin,
for his neighbors say of him
that in this he is undiscerning,
that for the love of Lady Sansa
he stays and elsewhere does not boast of himself. And since he wishes to be all-wived, let us never have harm for it. We are the lovers who follow the right path.
the lady who is fair and pleasing, let God let her come there where there is laughter, and to our dwelling likewise let him give pleasing courtiers with a wife who does us honor.
And I have no trust in anything else but in the fair words with gracious company, and the amorous face, which are from the eyes to the heart, a private message.
Lady Sansa, I pray you to chastise Lord and gets from speaking folly,
For I refrain for your sake
from engaging him more strongly.
for your sake.